Hello, this is Nick with Albert Air Conditioning, and today we're going to look at one of Carrier's top-of-the-line systems, the 24 VNA6. As always, please like this video, subscribe to my page, and leave a comment in the section below if you have any questions or you want me to discuss some more information about this unit. Also, check out some of my other videos on my page, as we have a lot of other ones about other Carrier products. So let's get right into it. This is a 4-ton Carrier Infinity variable speed condenser. This is 21 SEER, so it is the top of the line condenser. It also has 75 speeds in it to keep you as comfortable as possible. And those speeds range from as low as 25% capacity up to 100% capacity in 1% increments. So throughout the day, this unit will run at different settings based on your indoor temperature and humidity and the outdoor temperature humidity, which is sensed right down there where the refrigerant line's attached to, right above that panel there. So you get actual real-time weather data from where your house is, not downtown AccuWeather data. That might not be accurate. So it will dial in exactly what speed it needs to run at. It also has humidity control on this, so you can set humidity settings for it to automatically dehumidify when the humidity goes up over a certain percentage, and you set that on the thermostat. It can be set anywhere from 46 to 58% humidity. When it reaches that in the house, it will automatically dehumidify at what your setting is, up to 3 degrees below set point. This unit is measuring at 35 width by 35 depth by 47 inches tall. Another interesting fact about this unit is, although it is a 4-ton, it uses very low amp draw. So this unit max circuit amp is 30 amps. Most 4-ton units are either a 40 or a 50. So this does, you can put a nice 30 amp disconnect with 30 amp fuses in it, 30 amp breaker at the panel, and run number 10 wire for this unit, and it will run just fine. It's also ultra quiet. So right now we are on the high speed. I'll let you hear that for a sec. So this is 68 decibels on the high speed right now. It will go as low as 53 decibels. So if sound is of a concern to you, this is an extremely quiet unit. Most of the time, these units will run at a lower speed once it's maintaining the temperature in your house. This also will qualify for some of the Carrier Cool Cash rebates, up to $1,350. That's an instant rebate. It also qualifies for the tax credit. So please like this video again, subscribe to my page, leave a comment in the section below. Let me know what you think of this unit. Would this be right for your house? Is this something you're looking for? Let me know. As a side note, this system before was a 3-ton system, and we did move the furnace and coil to the attic. It was in a closet and it was not very efficient. It did not push enough air. So we redid all the ductwork, moved the furnace to the attic as well as the coil. And now the system is doing a lot better job. It's about 92 degrees today in Southern California where we installed this, and it is cooling the house just fine. We've already got it down to about 76 degrees inside since we started it up. It's the afternoon, so it's already been hot. When we started the system, it was about 80 degrees in the house. So it's doing its job, and it will only keep cooling it better and better as the day goes on. Now that the system's running properly, it's ducted properly, and we move that return upstairs to the ceiling, so it's actually pulling the heat out of the house from the highest point where the heat rises. So all in all, this is going to be a great system for this customer. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to my page, like this video. I appreciate it. And you can always reach me at www.albertair.com, or give me a call if you're in the Southern California area. I'd be happy to help you in person at 714-526-6368. Thank you.